What I have done, the student demo, okay, I implemented that ramen. We will go to that student demo table. This is a new table. Okay, here is create student, get student, everything is there. Update student, delete student, and get. This is a query parameter using that ID and name. Okay, this example we have to go through that one by one. First, we have to go to that create student is nothing but I insert the data. Okay, I have created one request JSON sample is ID, name, class, phone number, address like this. Okay, here also data type also same have defined that values ID, name, class, phone number, address. Okay, we have to create the table backend. Okay, this is the backend table ID, name, class, address, and phone number. Then I executed already and select star from going to the object. Zero return, zero records is written. See, no records is there. Now we'll create like how first how to configure, way to configure, we have to see. Then whenever go to that new project, right, it will take that one dummy project like DB test. I will create one new project here. Okay. If you database configure means this is a DB configuration database. Okay. I will take that any one operation insert or anything. Here is asking like that version 1.3, 13.6. Okay, I will add that one. Now is coming right. What whenever adding here form.xml also the dependency is added here. DB related dependency. See, this dependency is added. Why? Because we have selected 1.13.6, right? The dependency is added here also. Okay. Then how to configure after then we have to configure, right? Yesterday I told, right? Same way we have to do like how we have to configure. Here we have to select that particular MySQL connection. Okay. Here host name, localhost, and port number. What is the port number? 3306. MySQL is a common port number. Either root username is a common. I didn't change it like that. Root and password, whatever may be password. Database means schema name. What is that schema name is here? Test. Okay, we have to put that schema name here. Test. Okay, whatever may be password. And we have to configure that database driver also. Okay, the here is you have to add that Marvin dependency is two ways. One is using that here MySQL dependency if you search in net, right, will come that one. How to search also I will tell you that one. Otherwise in form.xml is there, right? You have to search using this MySQL DB connector dependency in 13.6. If you search like that means will come like this way. Will come like this way. We have to add this dependency. That's the problem. Now dependency. This one here also is automatically coming. Finish. Same thing. Root localhost 3306. User is root and test and give password something password and click OK button. Okay. After then we will write that whatever maybe we want, we can write here. Here, whatever may be operation we have to write here in this session. This is a configuration. This is a query test. This is a input parameters. If you required input parameters, we have to define. Otherwise, it's not required. Configuration is clear, Sunita?
Yeah, it's clear.
Okay. Then thank you. Now we have to go to the tower example. Form.xml also is I explained, right? Okay. Now student demo. Student demo also I have configured this one everything. Now we have to write that first one by one. Here is a payload. Okay. This is a insert database configure, right? We have to write that insert query. Okay. How to write insert query like this way. Right? Now this is a payload. What we have to do first is the ID. The payload dot our request, where is that request? Sample request is this is the ID, right? Payload dot ID. Okay. Now is a S name. Payload dot name. Now is a class. Address. Phone number. Here I'm mapping to the corresponding values. What is that payload reference exactly in class? Payload dot. Next is a address, right? Payload dot address and payload dot phone number. Payload dot phone number. Okay. This one now insert. This is with no issue. right? Okay. Now we'll go to that insert. Yesterday we have discussed, right? Same example. Yesterday what I have done, this one mule DB services. Here without the code, we are directly executing this two. One is create. Okay, but I have created today using here only. Table have created here, but only I am inserting the data through Postman. Okay, clear?
Yeah,
Clear.
it's clear.
Yeah. Then go to that student demo. Our student demo. Yeah. Okay. This is the same example. Here is a configurations like resource related what we have defined RAM. Same thing here. Create student is here. This one is go to reference flow. This is our flow. Okay. Insert the data. Here same ID, name, class, address, phone number. Okay, this attributes is a DB side. ID, yes, name, class, address, and phone number. But payload side is a different attributes, and the DB side is a different. Here is name, but here I created like that as name. Okay, remaining all are similar, but name only somewhat different. Okay, here is not right. Now I will execute that student. We have to require. Meanwhile, I will open the Postman. Already we have done create student one time. Same we have to use. AB is deployed, right? Now copy this thing. Beautiful. That's it. Okay, created. But what is that response? This is a Java response. Yesterday I told you, right? Whenever DP response always is a input is a Java, output also is a Java. That's what here object response. Then we'll see that one data is inserted or not in backend. 35 Raju Port Hyderabad, whatever may be, we are inserting the data is coming. Okay. Now also another recording insert. data is inserted, right? Then same way we have to similar what we have to do, get student also. We have to write that get student. Okay. Before that, now get student means which operation have to select it. Get right, which one have to?
I think it's select.
Yeah, correct. Okay. Then already we have configured, right? We have to just select the database config. Okay. Then select. First we will write here. Then you will same thing you have to apply here. Okay. Select. I want like that. If you select star from test student means is getting that values. I want like particular where condition, where ID number. Okay. ID equal 35. Then same thing we will write that logic here. Instead of value, we will put like that ID. That ID is there, right? Application.json with the format delete. Okay. Now student ID student put that flag array. Then we'll write this one. If I name what is the name is going to get. Port is there. I will send that request now. It's coming, right? This is a get. Okay, Sunita, clear?
Yeah, it's clear.
Okay. And what you have to do, you have to try update and delete. Okay. That update also same thing, syntax is like this. Update table name set That is whatever may be variable what you want to modify, right? You have to that variable name and where condition. Update and delete. Please try your end. Tomorrow I will see if you are not how to say implement this update and delete. Okay, I will help you.
Yeah, okay.
Okay. Then this is a database operations. Create, update, delete everything. Bulk,
Mhm.
tomorrow I will explain that. Bulk insert, bulk update.
Oh, okay.
Okay. Up to here, clear, right? Configuration.
Yeah, yeah.
In Java also same thing. What we have to configure, right? Here we have configured like that. Like this way: host name, port number, username, password.
Mm-hmm.
This is a GUI. But whenever
Mm-hmm.
we do that Java is like that class name, driver class name is a must and should, and
Um,
username and password. Communicating with application to other application. This is the mandatory in Java side. If you go to that Java application, Java and other one, driver class name is important. And any examples like same connectivity is a similar. That's what yesterday I told, right? Different technology is also configuration is different, communication is the same. MySQL will take that. A similar driver class, connection URL, username, password. We are not using that driver class. Some time only we are also using that driver class. Depends on that. I told you right yesterday is how to say. Yeah, ready. I will show you that. This one why I have to register. If you select generic connections. Okay, URL, we have to give that driver class URL here. Driver class name, URL, and username and password. Same similar way. But MySQL connection, what we are doing, but we are updating that whatever may be host name, port name, username, and password database. But other technologies, driver class name is must and should. But here is depends on that. Select the connection type. Okay.
yeah, okay, and it's clear now. Yeah, I can practice today if I have any.
What we have to do instead of DB, I will tell you that one example. Just now we have done one example, right? Select student, right? We are putting that where condition. Where after then in SQL, we are passing like that value, right? Where ID is 30. Okay. In mute side, what we have to do instead of value, we are putting the colon. This is a syntax. This one, whatever may be this ID, we are passing input parameters. If you suppose here is instead of ID, std ID is there. Then this one, what you have to do in input parameter, you have to pass stid colon the payload reference variable name, like that. Same way we have done, right? Same update also you have to do like that. Okay. That update also what you have to do similar way. But here is thing one is you have to pass, you have to update that particular how to say column value also, right? You have to define that whatever maybe here is s name is there, right? Left hand side, okay, whatever may be after equal left hand side is there, right? This attribute name you have to mention here. Okay, then the payload of that reference name, like that. Reference attribute name. That's it. Clear, Smita? You have to see this example, insert example. Then we will go like same process, same procedure. This is very important. What is how defining? Same way, this is the one-to-one relationship. That is also case sensitive.